Alright, so I want everyone to go subscribe to this guy over here. He makes some sick Overwatch stuff. He's called Quasar. So yeah, everyone go subscribe to him, turn on notifications. Yeah, he makes some really cool Overwatch stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to subscribe to his channel. So you want to go click on the YouTube icon. If you got YouTube, just go there. You're gonna go to YouTube, and you want to search Quasar or Quasar, whatever the and it's that simple. So you want to click this little thing here. Alright, so once you get to the little page channel, I want you to hit this button here. Now, if you can't read, it says subscribe. Okay? Hit that. And then once you've done that, I want you to turn this bell right here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It makes this noise. Wow! Insert sound effect. Anyway, and then go into his videos, like them. Alright. This was just a video to shout out my buddy's channel, not an animation. But I'm probably not gonna post an animation, but I will be working on one. I just want this one to be actually half decent. Yeah, that's literally gonna be it. Sorry. Yeah, again, go subscribe to Quasar.